Good evening, students.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Let everyone join. And then we'll start, okay? So, students, my name is Ajinkya. I'll be your teacher for this course. I'll explain you the paper pattern for mega final exam. Okay, there will be 15 questions for this paper. You'll get 45 minutes, and total marks of the paper is 30, which means per question it is 2 marks. And I will take it. Students, please be on mute, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next thing I want to say about the class is, see, we are going to start with 2008 paper today. Agar aapne pehle, if you have solved it earlier and you want to give the answer, send the answers in the chat box. No one will orally give the answer, okay? Is this clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have doubt, raise your hand and then I'll give you option to speak. तो तब तक आप म्यूट पे ही रहो अगर आपको डाउट नहीं है तो. Is it clear? And whenever I ask you, have you understood? When that time you can answer yes or no, so that we'll not waste much time. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, students. ठीक है. So let's
Yes, sir.
start with it. So 2008 paper हम start कर रहे हैं now. Everyone has the question paper, I think. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question number 5 is based on integers. So it is minus outside a minus b multiplied by triangle is equal to b minus a.
Sir, can you please share the questions on the screen?
No, on the screen it is not possible to share the question paper. I have written the question on this screen. That's it. Okay. इसके आगे और मैं I don't have the question paper on my screen. I have the hard copy of it. So from there only I am teaching you. So now if we open this side, what we'll get? Minus into a is equal to minus a. Minus into minus is plus b. Into triangle is equal to b minus a. Okay. So what is the difference now? Can you tell me? प्लस बी और यहाँ पर प्लस बी है, माइनस ए एंड माइनस ए. सो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इट इज बीन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय व्हाट? It's the same thing, yes or no?
Triangle.
So if triangle
One.
is
Yes.
equal to 1,
One.
then we get the same answer. So answer is option number 4, none of these. Understood?
Sir,
Yes,
why can't it be minus
sir.
one?
ओके, अगर आप बोल रहे हो -1 तो माइनस ए प्लस बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, अगर आप -1 करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस ए इंटू -1 विल बिकम प्लस ए, प्लस बी इंटू माइनस दिस विल बिकम माइनस बी. तो ए माइनस बी हो जाएगा. एंड राइट हैंड साइड पे क्या है हमारे पास? बी माइनस ए.
B minus A.
तो इज इट इक्वल?
No, sir.
So then it cannot be minus. And remember this, any number multiplied by 1 will always give you itself, right? तो यहाँ पर देखो माइनस ए प्लस बी और यहाँ पर भी माइनस ए प्लस बी. इट इज जस्ट दैट इट इज अरेंज्ड इन डिफरेंट ऑर्डर. ओके. इफ आई राइट दिस एज बी माइनस ए multiplied by triangle, it's the same thing. yes or no? अभी सेम हो गया ये दोनों. तो सेम
Yes,
कब
sir.
होगा? जब ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके. I hope now it's clear. Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Now see question number 2 में दिया है there are 2 watches set correctly at 6 a.m. on some day which is 26th of January 2004. So 2004 is a leap year. Okay. So ये याद रखो आप 2004 लीप ईयर है. तो फरवरी में कितने दिन हो गए?
29.
29.
29.
This is for Feb, okay? Not other days. तो बाकी सारे मंथ्स तो सेम ही रह गए. Now, 1 clock में क्या हो रहा है? It loses 7 minutes in one day. So let's say clock A, it will lose 7 minutes मतलब -7, and there is clock B which gains 3 minutes. Gain मतलब आगे बढ़ रहा है 3 मिनट. तो what is the total difference of this two watches in one day? 10 minutes?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? तो दोनों
Yes,
वॉचेस में एट द एंड ऑफ द डे 10 मिनट्स का डिफरेंस होगा.
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ दे हैव आस्क्ड
sir,
अस
but won't it be -7 plus 3?
-7 + 3 नहीं करना है. अगर अभी लेट्स से 1 मिनट, अभी लेट्स से 6 AM को स्टार्ट किया है क्लॉक. ओके, 6 PM तक जब हम पहुंचेंगे, सॉरी 6 AM इन वन डे लिखा है, मतलब 24 आवर्स का क्लॉक के बारे में लिखा है ये, ठीक है. जब 6 AM तक पहुंचेंगे हम तो 24 आवर्स हो गए, करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट डे क्लॉक ए का क्या होगा? 6 AM के जगह वो दिखाएगा 5:53, एंड जो क्लॉक बी है वो दिखाएगा 6:03. तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? 10 मिनट्स.
Yes.
समझ में आया?
Okay.
ओके, वेरी गुड. प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट. किसके बैकग्राउंड में आवाज आ रहा है? यथार्थ, आई थिंक आपके बैकग्राउंड में आवाज है. प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट. Others also. So in one day the difference is 10 minutes. Okay. Now they've asked us on which of these days in the nearest time मतलब सबसे जल्दी, okay, will both the watches show 6 o'clock at the same time. So they haven't given AM or PM. Okay. So for first condition we'll consider that it is 6 PM. They will show 6 PM at the same time. Okay. So 6 AM से लेके 6 PM तक कितना टाइम होता है?
12 hours.
12 hours. Very good.
12 hours.
Now 12 hours is equal to 12 into 60 minutes.
720 minutes.
Correct. This is equal to 720.
20 minutes.
अभी एक दिन में 10 मिनट्स का डिफरेंस है, तो 720 मिनट्स का डिफरेंस कब होगा? 7 डिवाइड बाय 10 करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 72 डेज. करेक्ट. यस और नो?
Yes.
जब 12 आवर्स हम काउंट कर रहे हैं, मतलब 6 AM से हम 6 PM की बात कर रहे हैं, दैट द क्लॉक विल शो 6 PM. तो हम क्या कंसीडर किया? हमने 12 आवर्स कंसीडर किया विच इज इक्वल टू 720 मिनट्स. सो इट विल रिक्वायर 72 डेज. नाउ फ्रॉम 26th of January you need to count 72 days. So what will be your answer? So see,
So why did we do into 60 minutes?
we have the difference in minutes, right? So
Yes.
12 hours को हमने मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. समझ में आया?
Oh, okay. Okay, yes. Okay.
In January
Sir, then the
1 minute student, let me complete. In January 5 days, 29 days in February, in March 31 days. तो ये कितना हो गया टोटल? 31 plus this 60 plus this is equal.
65.
Now we need 72 days. तो मतलब 65 days already हो चुके. तो अप्रैल में कितना आएगा? 7 days. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So April 7.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So the answer is option 1, 7th April 2004. Okay.
Sir,
Now,
can you explain it again? A
Okay.
little.
yes. Others have, how many have doubt in this question? Just raise your hand using Zoom. Okay. 7, 8 participants. ठीक है.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो. बोलो क्या डाउट है?
sir, can you repeat it? I joined late.
Okay. There are 2 watches, A and B. They are set correctly at 6 AM. On which date? 26th Jan 2004. So you should remember it is a leap year. Now, watch A is getting 7 minutes lower, so -7, and watch B is gaining 3 minutes, so +3. तो टोटल डिफरेंस कितना हो गया दोनों वॉच के बीच में? 10 मिनट्स. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? अंडरस्टूड दिस पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now they have asked us when the two clocks will show the same time as 6 o'clock. Now it can be AM, it can be PM. So they have asked us nearest time. Nearest time मतलब कम से कम time, okay? So हम क्या करेंगे? 6 PM consider करेंगे. Is this clear? Yes, students?
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the time difference between 6 AM and 6 PM? 12 hours, correct? 12 hours is equal to how many minutes? 720 minutes. In one day, it is giving us 10 minutes difference. So for 720 minutes, कितना हो जाएगा? 72 days. Yes or no?
But sir, 12 hours is not one day, no?
उन्होंने कहाँ बोला है कि वन डे के बाद ही होना चाहिए? They have said nearest time कब होगा? जब it will show 6 o'clock. So it can be 6 AM or it can be 6 PM, right? Yes or no?
Oh.
So we are considering nearest time. Now see, from 6 AM to 6 AM next day, it will be 24 hours. And from 6 AM to 6 PM, it is only 12 hours. Yes or no? So which is the nearest time? 12 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we consider 12 hours. So the time becomes 720 minutes. And if we divide by 10, it is 72 days. That means after 72 days, it will show again 6 o'clock at the same time. Okay? तो 26th के बाद हमें काउंट करना है 72 days. So in January there will be how many days? 5. February it is equal to 29 days.
29.
Leap year. In March it will be 31 days. So this total, these 3 months total gives you 65 days. We need 72 days. मतलब 7 more days. Yes or no? So it will be 7th April.
So,
हाँ.
Why did we divide 720 by 10?
In one day, the difference is 10 minutes. So in how many days the difference will be 72 minutes?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Is it clear?
Sir,
Bolo.
I have a doubt.
What?
That in watch A, when it loses 7 minutes, and in watch B, when it loses 3 minutes, then gains 3 minutes, then why will it be 10 minutes?
I have explained this earlier also. Listen. Let's say 6 AM से next day if we go, okay? So 6 AM हो जाएगा next day. So in one day it is going to lose 7 minutes. So what will be the time in clock A? 5:53. And in clock B it will be how much? 6:03. So what is the difference now?
Oh, 10 minutes. Got it.
I think this question is clear. जिनको अभी भी doubt है, please go through the recording once after I upload the recording, okay? And then next class में आप doubt पूछ सकते हो. Question number 3 is about integers. Similar question, okay? So what you need to do is you just try question number 3 as homework. Is it clear, students? We'll directly solve question number 4 now. So question number 4 is simplify.
First question.
First question का option है, fourth one, none of these.
Yes, sir.
It is 0.01 plus under root of 0.0064. Now we know that 64 का square root क्या है? 8 है. But here we have 4 digits in after the decimal point. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? In the question we had 2 digits after the decimal point. So it should be 0.08. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand, pay attention. It is what? 64 upon 10,000. Yes or no? Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
can
sir.
we write
Yes,
this
sir.
as 8 upon 100 multiplied by 8 upon 100? Correct? तो square root हो गया इसका. तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा? 8 upon 100 into 8 upon 100. So 8 upon 100 will come outside, which is equal to 0.08. So this becomes 0.08. So then we have 0.01 plus 0.08. So if we add them, what we'll get?
0.09.
0.09. Correct? Abhi again यहाँ पे है दो places are in the decimal. So in the root it will be only one place. So it will be 0.3. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
I wanted to ask that when in the decimal number becomes its when the decimal number gets its root, we have to find the root of the decimal number, square root.
Okay.
So the number of digits after the decimal gets halved, right?
Yes, correct. तो यहाँ जैसे हुआ 4 डिजिट्स है तो रूट में 2 डिजिट्स आएगा. यहाँ पर 2 डिजिट्स है तो रूट में 1 डिजिट आएगा आफ्टर डेसिमल. ओके.
So sir, suppose if we have to find the root of a 3 digit,
नहीं होता है, नहीं होगा. तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. वो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. हाँ, वो प्रॉपर रूट नहीं आएगा. हाँ, क्या डाउट है स्टूडेंट्स, बोलो. जिन्होंने हैंड रेस किया, व्हाट आर योर डाउट्स? अद्वित, यशोधन जादव, व्हाट इज योर डाउट?
सर आपने जो क्वेश्चन होमवर्क को दिए वो कहाँ है पर?
आपने क्लास ज्वाइन किया है क्या या आप ट्रायल क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो?
सर ट्रायल क्लास है पहले.
हाँ, तो फिर आपके पास पेपर नहीं है ना, तो आप वो बाद में मुझे व्हाट्सएप करो, मैं आपको भेज दूंगा क्वेश्चन.
ओके सर.
Question number 5 says which of the following fractions lies between 5/6 and 6/7? So here what you can do is, देखो हम हर एक ऑप्शन चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, अभी फोर्थ ऑप्शन से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम. इट इज 37/42. इफ यू कन्वर्ट दिस टू 42, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 7 टाइम्स, राइट? तो इसको 7 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 35/42 आ गया.
Yeah, and the second one will be 36/42.
ये 37/42 और ये हो जाएगा 36/42. So this does not lies in between these two because this is smaller, right?
So sir, you have to get 5.
Fourth option is cancelled out. Okay. Those who know the answer, send it in the chat box. है जिसने पहले solve कर लिया है. Okay. तो ये वाला तो ऑप्शन गलत हो गया. अभी हम करेंगे ऑप्शन नंबर 1 और ऑप्शन नंबर 2 आर वेरी क्लोज. So we'll consider those two options. Okay. So it is 70/84. Now see, it is multiplied by 14. So this is equal to 75 into 14. तो ये ऑप्शन भी cancelled out हो गया. Yes or no? First option is also cancelled out. Okay. Now here we have 75. तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा into 14. So इसको अगर 14 से multiply करेंगे तो आएगा 70. So we have 70/84. We have 75/84. And ये this will be what? Into 12 into 12. करेक्ट. तो ये हो जाएगा 72/84. तो सेकंड ऑप्शन भी कैंसिल आउट हो गया. हमारा आंसर क्या हो गया फाइनली? ऑप्शन नंबर 3. ऑप्शन 3, क्योंकि ये तीनों कैंसिल हो गए. और अभी हम ऑप्शन नंबर 3 भी चेक कर लेते हैं टू वेरीफाई वेदर इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट. ओके. So this type of questions can be solved by elimination method, that you check each and every option and keep on eliminating. Okay. So एक एक ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट करोगे तो एक ही ऑप्शन बचेगा. और ये मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन जो होते हैं आईपीएम में, एक ही करेक्ट आंसर होता है इसका. ओके. सो इट इज 141/168. अभी 168 को अगर आप इसको चेक करोगे तो कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है? यस, 28 टाइम्स. तो 5 into 28 करेंगे तो कितना होगा? 140 हो जाएगा. 7 into what number gives you this? 24. And 6 into 24 is equal to 144. Correct? So is this in between? Yes, students?
Yes.
So the
Yes,
answer
sir.
is option
Yes.
number 3.
Yes.
Okay. I think
Sir,
this
is there another way? Sir, is there another way to solve this question?
देखो यहाँ पर कैसा है, in such type of question it depends on the option. Okay. Here the option were 84, 84, 168, 42 in the denominator. So either you convert these fractions to those denominator, then only you can compare. Otherwise, if I give you a very big option, let's say मैंने 168 को डबल करके ऑप्शन दे दिया, तो फिर कोई कॉमन ट्रिक यूज नहीं कर सकते हो आप. यहाँ पर आपको फ्रैक्शंस का नॉलेज यूज करना है, दैट हाउ टू इक्वेट दिस क्वेश्चंस, ओके, और हाउ टू इक्वेट दिस ऑप्शन टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन. So here you cannot use any trick. Here the best way is eliminate the option. That's it. Okay. So check everyone's denominator. You see by what number it is being multiplied, and then multiply the numerator by it.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
In question 6, the angles of a pentagon in degrees are given. अभी pentagon क्या होता है? Those who don't know, it is a 6-sided figure or 5. It is 5-sided figure. Okay. This is pentagon. अभी आपने first level में सीखा है how to find out the angles. Sum of all the angles is what?
180 n minus 2.
Very good.
Yeah.
N minus 2. So n क्या है यहाँ पर? Number of sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 180 into 3 हो जाएगा, which is 540. Correct? So sum of all the angles is equal to 540 in this diagram. अभी उसके सारे रेगुलर पेंटागन दिया है ना, ये एक नॉर्मल पेंटागन दिया, तो इसके बारे में हम यही कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके. नाउ द एंगल्स आर x, x plus 20, x plus 40, x plus 60 and x plus 80. तो अभी 80, 60, 40 और 20 का टोटल क्या हो जाएगा?
Sir,
What? What, students? Students, can you hear me? Okay, sorry student, there was some network error, तो disconnect हो गया था. Okay. Students, can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll start again with that question. So pentagon है, sum of all the angles is what? 180 into 5 minus 2, which is equal to 540. Now the angles are x, x plus 20, x plus 40, x plus 60 and x plus 80 is equal to 540. So basic equation है, you just need to add them. So 1, 2, 3, 5x and the total of these numbers 20, 40, 60 and 80 is 200. So is equal to 540. So 5x is equal to how much? 340.
340.
Which is equal to x is equal to 68 degrees.
60.
Now they have asked us which will be the greatest angle. So x plus 80. So 68 plus 80, 148. Got it? Got it, students?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Question number 7 is for homework, okay? Question 8 पे आते हैं. Now this question is on triangle. There are 6 rods you have, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. इनका लेंथ है ये 6 rods का ये respective length है. How many different triangles can you form with this? So first remember, एक triangle के लिए आपको याद रखना है sum of any two sides, okay, should be greater than the third side. Yes, Praveen, is your doubt?
No, sir, it's clear.
Sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. तो ये जिनको नहीं पता है आप नोट डाउन कर लो. So then only the triangle can be formed. Okay. So now tell me 1, 2, 3 triangle हो सकता है क्या?
नहीं.
Because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3.
sir.
So this is not possible. So with 1 it is not possible only, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो 1 से तो पहला वाला जो भी
Sir,
triangle.
Sir,
What if we do 1, 5 and 6? Or
1
6,
5
1 and 5? I mean, we will add 6 and 1.
तो 1 + 5 कितना हो जाएगा? 6 हो जाएगा ना? It
हाँ,
should.
sir, we can add 6 plus 1 also, ना?
अरे बट वो तीनों साइड के लिए कंडीशन ट्रू होना चाहिए ना आपका
सर
स्टूडेंट्स।
और अगर 164 किया तो?
अरे 164 भी अगर किया तो 1 + 4 ऐड करके 5 हो जाएगा, तो 5 इज स्मॉलर देन 6। आप एक ही कंडीशन नहीं सोच सकते कि 1 + 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 4। आपको तीनों कंडीशंस लेना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पर क्या होगा देखो।
Sir, we use
Listen,
2,
listen,
4 and
listen.
5.
Listen to me.
सर
We use 2, 4
Please
and
be on
5.
mute. हाँ, जिनको बात करना है raise your hand. Raise your hand using Zoom, then I'll give you a chance. Yes, Srishti, बोलो।
Sir, can we use 2, 4 and 5?
Yes, you can use। तो रुक जाओ, हम उस पे आएंगे। Don't go ahead। मैं ये एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। जिनको भी अगर कोई ऑप्शन बताना है तो वो बाद में बताओ, ठीक है? वो आपका करेक्ट है बट। हाँ, प्रयान बोलो, क्या डाउट है?
So basically like any two sides or only the first two sides?
Any two sides. So there are three possibilities. See, 1 + 5, 1 + 6, and 5 + 6. So 1 + 6
Okay.
is greater than 5. 5 + 6 is greater than but 1. But 1 + 5 is equal to 6. So इसके कारण ये ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. Okay. So there are
Okay.
three possibilities. You need to check all the three possibilities. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So with 1 it is not possible. So with 2 we'll start. So 2, 3, 4 हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
2 + 3 5 greater than 4. 4 + 2 6 greater than 3, and 3 + 4 7 से greater है. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 4 5 हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एंड 2 5 6 भी हो सकता है. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके. हाँ बोलो नीरेक, व्हाट इज
Can
योर
3, 4 and 5? Can 3, 4 and 5 be a triangle?
या वील मेक इट ना, जस्ट वेट फॉर इट. सो नाउ वी
Okay.
कम अप टू 3. सो 3 4 5, 3 4 6, 3 5 6. Okay. And then we have 4 5 6. Is it clear? What? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many
Yes,
triangles
sir.
are formed? 7 triangles.
7.
So remember this important point, okay? For any triangle, this is true. अगर ये condition true है, then only the triangle can be formed. Yes, Nirek, you have some doubt?
Sorry, sir, I didn't have any doubt. I forgot to
No
unraise my
problem.
hand.
Srishti, what about you? Okay, Anvi?
Sir, what about 2, 4, 6?
2 + 4 is equal to 6. So then it should not be equal. It should be greater.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please be on mute. There's some background noise over here. Okay. अभी एक similar question है. This will try that homework. Okay. Same logic पे. Students, Akhil, there's a voice behind you. आपके यहाँ से आवाज आ रहा है. Students, please be on mute.
sorry.
Students, please be on mute.
So this question is for homework, the one you're giving now.
हाँ, मैं जो अभी राइट में लिख रहा हूँ ये नोट डाउन करो. ओके.
So question 7 is homework, right?
Yes. तो देखो क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल्स हैविंग साइड एज नेचुरल नंबर्स विल हैव पेरीमीटर 15. Here the word natural number is just used to confuse the students, okay?
Sir, but it means that 0 can't be a
But 0 वैसे भी एक साइड नहीं हो सकता है ना. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
क्वेश्चन नोट डाउन कर लिया सभी ने?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in this answer, there could also be 2, 3, 5, right?
2, 3, 5 कैसे होगा? 2 + 3 = 5.
Oh,
Repeat numbers like 1, 13, 1.
स्टूडेंट्स नाउ डोंट डिस्कस द आंसर फॉर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. होमवर्क क्वेश्चन होमवर्क के लिए दिया है, सो आपको जब क्लास में नहीं हो तभी करना है, ओके?
sir, can you just put back the homework question? I was making a note of that. Goodness.
Done, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there are 4 numbers, let's say A, B, C and D. The average of first 3 is 15. So A plus B plus C upon 3 is equal to 15. And that of the last 3 is 16. So B plus C plus D is upon 3 is equal to 16. अभी उन्होंने दिया है if the last number is 19, मतलब D is equal to 19 ये दिया हुआ है. So we need to find then the first number. So it's very easy. यहाँ से 3 will go on the other side as multiplication. So you get B plus C plus 19 is equal to 48. Correct? D का वैल्यू 19 है तो 19 लिख दिया. 3 into 16 48. So B plus C कितना हो गया? 48 minus 19 कितना होता है स्टूडेंट्स? 29.
29.
अभी अगर यहाँ पर हम A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 45.
45.
So A is equal to 45 minus 29, which is equal to 16.
Yes. 16.
Understood?
15.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
बोलो. Yes.
I wanted to say that how did we get the sum of B and C?
अभी देखो, अगर आपको मैंने बताया बॉक्स प्लस 19 इज इक्वल टू 35, तो बॉक्स कैसे फाइंड आउट कैसे करोगे? बॉक्स का वैल्यू 35 माइनस 19. तो डी का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया है ना. इफ द
अच्छा.
लास्ट नंबर इज 19, तो ये 19 है, तो b प्लस c प्लस 19 इज इक्वल टू 48. यस तन्वी, व्हाट इज योर डाउट?
Got it.
तन्वी, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? Has everyone understood this question?
No, sir, I didn't get what we did.
Who didn't get?
So,
किसको नहीं समझा है बोलो जल्दी. प्रयान, हाँ बोलो, क्या डाउट है?
I didn't get how it works. Like that P plus C D and that.
A plus B plus C plus D is equal to something we don't know. There are 4 numbers. Average का मतलब पता है आपको क्या होता है? Average means sum of the
Yes.
numbers divided by total number of numbers. तो A plus
Yes.
A, B and C का average क्या है? 15. Okay.
Yes.
So A plus B plus C upon 3 is equal to 15, which I have written over here.
Okay.
They have given D last 3 numbers, मतलब B, C and D का average कितना है? 16. ठीक है. And the last
Yes.
number is 19, मतलब D का वैल्यू 19 है, दिया हुआ है. So we get b plus c plus d is equal to 3 into 16. You have learned equations. तो ये 48 हो
Yes.
गया. तो b plus c plus 19 is 48. तो b plus c का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? 48 minus 19, which is 29. Now b plus c is 29. So we know that a plus b plus c is 45. तो a का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? 45 minus 29. Understood?
Yes. Okay. How do we? Oh, okay. Okay, I get it. Okay.
Okay. Question number 10. There are two principal amounts. So we'll write P1 matlab principal one, which is 1200, and P2, which is 1000. Rate of interest is same for both. Okay. Number of years is equal to 3. Now everyone knows simple interest.
Yes, sir.
So here we need to find out simple interest. Now remember, अगर question में compound या simple interest नहीं लिखा है, तो आपको हमेशा simple interest find out करना है. Is this clear? If nothing is mentioned, simple or compound, you will always go for simple interest. Now
Yes.
the difference between simple interest S1 minus S2 for 3 years is equal to 30. Okay, this is for 3 years. So for 1 year it will be rupees 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 year
Yes,
difference
sir.
will be rupees 10. Okay. Now I'll explain you easier trick for such questions. ये तो सबसे basic trick ही मैंने solve किया है. Simple interest कैसे find out करना है? 1% means what? You divide by 100. Okay. Yes or no? Everyone knows this.
Yes, sir.
So here,
Yes.
what is 1% of P1?
12.
12.
P1 का 1% is equal to 12. And what is 1% of P2?
10.
Very good. Now see the option. What?
Sir, option number 4.
रुक जाओ आंसर देना है, चैट बॉक्स में भेजना है आंसर. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 6%, देन इज 10, देन इज 3 एंड देन इज 5. अगर 6% रेट होता तो 1% इंटू 6 करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 72. और इसको अगर इंटू
And
6 करेंगे तो आएगा 60. द डिफरेंस इज 12. सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दैट मीन्स इट शुड बी लेस देन 6%. तो 10% तो ऑप्शन ऑलरेडी कट आउट हो गया. अभी बचा आपके पास 5 एंड 3. सो अगर 3% करोगे तो आएगा 36 और 30. सो द डिफरेंस इज हाउ मच? 6. So even 3% is cancelled out. So only option left is 5%. और 5% आप निकालोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 60 और 5% हो जाएगा 50. दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 10 आएगा. So 1 year का डिफरेंस इज 10, 1 year का डिफरेंस इज 10. So our answer is 5%. Understood? Yes, Srishti,
Yes.
what is your doubt?
Sir, yes.
Sir, actually, I'm not getting the question. I'm
Okay.
not understanding the question.
Okay, Divyan, what is your doubt?
Sir, my doubt is that like the interest which is 10
Your
years.
voice is too low. Your voice is too low. Yes, बोलो दिव्यान. What happened? Students, do one thing. Students, listen, rejoin the meeting, then we'll continue, okay?